The era of traditional VR is ending. While the world argued about prices, battery life, and first-generation compromises, something bigger was happening behind closed doors at Reality Labs. This is the moment Meta believes virtual reality disappears. Introducing what the internet is calling Meta Quest 4. Not officially announced, not officially confirmed, but increasingly impossible to ignore. Based on internal hiring shifts, supply chain signals, and Meta's long-term roadmap, Quest 4 isn't just another headset. It's a direction change. If you're expecting more pixels and a faster chip, you're missing the point. Meta's goal isn't better VR. It's less noticeable VR. A device that fades away until the digital and physical feel like one space. Quest 3 gave us a preview of mixed reality, but it was still limited. Latency, grain, distortion in low light. Leaks suggest Quest 4 is built around pass-through first, not as a bonus feature. Improved depth sensing, cleaner real-world reconstruction, and AI-assisted scene understanding that reacts in real time. Not confirmed, but fully aligned with Meta's current R&D direction. Optics are where Quest 4 could leap forward. Industry whispers point to next-generation pancake optics paired with higher-resolution displays, possibly micro-OLED, if costs allow. The goal? No visible screen door, sharper text, less eye strain, wider field of view. Not magic, just refinement, done right. Under the hood, Quest 4 is expected to debut a next-gen Snapdragon XR platform, built specifically for spatial computing and AI workloads. This isn't just about graphics. It's about hand tracking that feels instant, voice control that feels natural, and environments that adapt to you, not the other way around. Meta knows the biggest enemy of VR isn't competition, it's discomfort. Quest 4 is expected to focus heavily on better weight distribution, thinner optics, improved thermal efficiency, less pressure, less fatigue, more time inside. But there's a trade-off. More sensors, more AI, more awareness. That raises real questions about privacy, data, and how much a headset should know about your physical world. Quest 4 isn't just a product. It's a debate. Meta Quest 4 hasn't been revealed yet. But the shift is already happening. When VR becomes invisible, you won't step into the future, you'll already be standing inside it. Subscribe for real updates the moment Meta makes it official.